Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be washing the outside of the car. Let's get started. Right, here's the paint before the wash. Lots of garbage on it. Probably hasn't been washed in 2 years or more. You can really see the dust on it at this angle. You've got just particles, stuff like that. Especially down here on the road grime. The wheels are nasty. So much brake dust. And these aren't actual wheels, they're covers. They're steel wheels underneath, which I thought they were actual wheels, but they're not, so, you know, there's that. I would rather them than actually look like that, but, you know, it's fine. It's nasty. Look at the roof here. Windows. So all this is all gross. I didn't notice this when I got it. I'll have to look back in the videos. But that doesn't look familiar. I don't think that happened though. With me, I didn't run into anything at least. Look at all the, it's just so dirty. It's really hard to get on camera how dirty it is. But yeah, we'll work on it. I also got all these fancy new detailing brushes for the inside and these scrub brushes for the outside and ones for the wheels, which I'm really excited about. Here we go. The whole thing is washed except for the wheels. Still have to dry it. But yeah, here's one last look at the nasty wheels. What's that? Nice. This took over an hour. It was disgusting. I'm sure there's still parts that need to be washed again. Like this. I scrubbed at this for a long time and it's still, I don't know what's going on there. There's another nasty wheel. Absolutely disgusting. Here's this side. I think I'm gonna clay bar it because it definitely needs it. Paint is so rough. It's nasty. So yeah, I'm gonna start on the wheels. All right, so we're gonna start on this wheel. Got this cleaner, this random cleaner, and this brush, and we're gonna get going. This is by far the worst wheel. So let's see what we can do. Here's before. And here's after. Some of this stuff was stuck on there like that. I couldn't get that off. There's just a lot I scrubbed. Here's our results. Looks very good, actually. There's the last one. Well, there you have it. All clean. The paint definitely needs some touch-ups. Not just paint, but it needs a definite clay bar and wax. Listen. That's clean. So yeah, we'll test that out. The wheels are all nice and shiny now. Car's looking good. Now I just need to clean the windows and the inside of the windows and the inside of the car. But you can see this window is just so scratched up from the seal, dust getting in there and then rolling it down. So I'm gonna try and see if I can find one at a junkyard, see how much the windows are and how I'm supposed to get it out with it rolled up and no battery or key to the car. But yeah, I'll try that. So I've cleaned all the windows except for these little corner ones and these on the inside. They're all clean on the outside. So look how nasty this one is. If I can get it to focus. It's gross. So let's get to it. These are pretty bad too. Look at what I just discovered. Passenger seat folds completely flat like that, and so does the rear seat, and this side does as well. Let's see what kind of cargo space we have here. Oh yeah, just needs a little cover there so it's flat. Piece of plywood or something. All the windows are very clean now. Look at the color of this water. Keep in mind, this bucket was up to here with soapy water when I started, and that's where it is now. Look at the color of this. Terrible. Look at that shine on the hood. Very nice. Okay, I have my clay bar kit out. We're gonna test a spot. Okay, we got ourselves a crooked square here. So we're gonna spray it. And then we're gonna get the wax, or the clay, I mean. I'm gonna form it into my hand here. Make it a little square. You can hear it. When it's done, you shouldn't be able to hear it at all. It should just glide across. Okay, here we go. Last little pass here before I take the tape off. If you listen. Not a sound. And it's super smooth, like, see how it's just falling off? You can really see the paint flaking, or paint flakes. It's real pretty. You can definitely tell the difference. See where the square was. Look at the clarity of the light and the reflection. See how it's all blurry there? It's a little bit better. I mean, just scrub it a little more. You can definitely feel the difference. There's practically no sound coming from it, and then you go here. Yeah, quite the difference. Let's see if this slides. No. If I get this wet, this is right here. You can see the square in the camera. This is the polished spot. That slides, and this is unpolished. Does not slide. I mean, not polished, clay barred. Then you get down here, slides right off. So yeah, it's definitely a difference. So I'll have to do the whole hood now since there's a square in it. Look at all these weird spots on the paint right here. I'm gonna wax or clay bar it, and we'll see if they're still there once I'm done. Look at the color of this coming off of here. That's all coming out of the paint. It's horrible. There's still some dots. Smooth though. Not sure what those are from, honestly. Maybe hail. Bunch of little dots. They're not dented, just in the paint. It's smooth. It could definitely use it again though. There's a patch right here. I've successfully done half of the hood. All the way up. And then we have this side. There's that side. And this side. Alright, so I'm back at the Malibu, and we both know I've already scrubbed this multiple times while washing it, and it still looks like that. So I figured I'd try to do the clay bar on it, and look, it took that right out. See myself in it. Untouched. I just barely touched this with it. Look at that. So that's what I'll be doing. There we go. Did the whole thing. Like a mirror. It was tricky around the logo. Did as best as I could. I also did up here. Just this little shelf. It's a lot better than it was. Okay, remember that blue paint transfer that was right here? Well, I hit it with the clay bar and it took it right off.